This one?
Yeah. I just caught them, so they should still all be alive. Maybe a minnow or something.
That minnow might work.
So there's a few in there. I didn't catch a whole bunch. There's a few.
Hell yeah.
I just carried a little ice chest because it got a lock on that lid when you put that handle up.
Yeah.
And like if I'm walking across the creek and the fish are already caught up, I can drop them.
Oh yeah, that one finally died.
Did it?
Bro, something just flew into my back. Something just hit my backpack and flew into it. Like big. I don't know what it was. It felt big, like a bat. That's what it felt like. Or a bird.
I'm gonna try to grab this.
Our tips touched. Bugs aren't that bad.
They're not that bad when you're eating them.
This way or? Careful. Oh, hell yeah. It's flowing good. Where are you going to set up at?
Probably about
We're not going up this. Go that way. Yeah.
go that way, yeah.
Fish on. I think it's a channel. Oh, it's a little flatty. Nice. Oh, he's been caught before. Yeah, he's got 2 holes in his lip.
It's like really gray.
Oh yeah?
That's where he
Weird.
hit his head. He got a soft spot.
Heck yeah. We'll let him go. They're pretty mean, even little ones. That's my second flathead of the year. Hopefully I'll get some bigger ones eventually. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's on. It's getting smaller. Is it a gar? Yep. Oh, it's a channel. Heck yeah. That's keeper. You want it?
I'm not cleaning.
Damn, I should have brought. Oh, he's got a hook and a weight in his mouth too.
Probably broke somebody off.
Probably. Male. Spawning. Nah, I should be able to get it once I get him.
Another live one, wasn't it?
Huh?
Another live one?
Yeah. Ooh. He's got it.
Oh, it's in his heel.
I might need pliers to get that one out. Mr. Channel Rat. He will make a fine dinner.
Oh, and I got a pair of flash.
Heck yeah. Ah, bugs.
I didn't know you were doing that.
I don't expect to catch a whole lot more anyway, so. What is this? A channel cat on a bullhead. Heck yeah. Dude, that's a nice one. Heck yeah. Well, you're going on the stringer, buddy. It went straight. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Maybe, I don't know. It's all right.
That sucks.
It does.
At least you're the lucky one tonight, man.
Well, besides losing my $60 vape. I don't know, man. I might just. All right. So when I ran up there, the rod was next
It
to.
didn't go far. It just went like right here.
It'll be all right. I'll get another one. I have another one at the house. It's just not very big. It's like one of those little tiny ones. Well, my wife is gonna be mad. You're on camera. He wasn't even hooked, he was just holding on to it. Got these two channel cats. They almost look like twins. One's a little bit bigger though. Packing up, getting ready to leave. Oh, he's dead. No? No, he's not. He's too little. We'll let him go. Dude, I don't know why that scared me. I looked over and I saw him creeping down the hill. I was like, what the f? What? That channel cat. I looked over and he was like slithering down the hill. What? Thought it was like a snake coming at me or something. Probably that gar again. Oh, he's on there. Ah. Is he just swimming towards you?
You work fucking hard.
Those are long nose gar, weren't it? I want some alligator gar. You ever watch 618 fishing? He took my vape, so I'm taking his life.
Not my $60 vape. Get the environment down, bro. Lift your whole. Oh, you think you lift your whole beer can? Said my jerky pillow.